Good morning, class. I'm going to try this again. I recorded it, forgot to turn the microphone on. So we'll try it again. Notice that our objective is we're trying to find in section 10.7 the areas of circles and sectors. We'll start out with the area of circles. A couple of things that we'll need to do is take a look at some of the formulas that we've already compiled. We'll do that on a warm-up. Find the area of a rectangle for the length of 48 inches and a height of 3 feet. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with sides of 60 inches. Find the circumference of a frisbee with a radius of 9 inches. And find the circumference of a swimming pool that has a diameter of 16 feet. Okay, area of a rectangle. Area equals length times width, right? Or length times height. And so our big problem here is not so much that we have length and height, it's that we have inches and feet. So we're going to have to convert this one. We'll convert it to 4 feet. So make 48 inches divided by 12 inches per foot, and we get 4 feet. So this would be 4 feet times 3 feet, and we would get 12 feet squared. There's the area of our rectangle. Okay. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon. Well, that's a six-sided shape that's all uniform. Try to get this here. Draw a little sketch. But it's 6 sides. All the sides are the same because it's regular. And they're all 60 inches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'd be 6 times 60 inches, or 360 inches all the way around this regular hexagon. The circumference of a frisbee, remember frisbees are circles, okay, and it has a radius of 9 inches. Okay, our circumference, we said C equals 2 pi r. 2 pi r, and 2 times pi times 9 would be 18 pi, leaving our answer in pi. If we were going to take that out to approximate decimals, we would take pi out to be 3.14, or actually just enter in pi times and then 18, and we get about 56.54, and we're going to round it to 9, 549. And that's going to be in inches for the circumference. C equals 2 pi r. That was a formula we used. And then the circumference of a swimming pool, we also compared it not only just radius, but to the diameter. That's C equals pi times d, or pi d. Okay, and so the diameter is 16 feet. So it'd be 16 pi feet for the circumference, and if we took that out to our decimal, that would be pi times 16, or 50.265, and that's 50.265 feet. Okay, this is our exact, and this is our decimal approximation. Okay? We tend to like to have the exact when we can get it, unless it says to take it out to 3 decimal places. Okay? So there's our formulas. We said that circumference equals 2 pi r and or pi d. Okay, that was our circumference. We looked at the area of a rectangle as well. Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to look at the area of a circle. And the area of a circle is pi r squared. So circumference equals 2 pi r. We'll keep that going. And then our area is pi r squared. Okay, r being the radius or the dimension. If you're given then a diameter, since the diameter equals 2r, you would have to take diameter and divide it by 2 to get r. All right? So we'll take a look at this next slide, and we've got finding the area of a circle. And it says the area of a circle, a region of a wrestling mat, and they've got a white line going straight across through the center, and it says 32 feet. Well, if it goes through the center and connects on the ends, then it is a diameter. And the diameter would be 32 feet. Okay, if the diameter is 32 feet, then the radius would be half of that, be 16 feet. So to find the area of a circle, area equals pi times radius squared, or 16 squared. Okay, 16 squared is 256 pi. And 256 times pi to give us, that would be our exact region, and that'd be feet squared for the area. That'd be exact. And then the approximate would be 804.248. 248 square feet. That'd be our approximate. All right. All right, this time the wrestling circular wrestling region would be 42. So we would have a 42 diameter, and so our radius is 21 feet. 42 feet, half of that's 21 feet. So our area is pi 21 squared. 21 squared is 441 pi. There would be our exact, and that would be feet squared for the area. That'd be exact. And then our approximate would be 441 times pi, or about 1,385.442 square feet. And that'd be our approximate. All right, we're going to look at our next lesson is the area of a sector. And a sector is like the piece of pie. You got two ways of looking at this. You could look at the sector. If you cut a tangerine in half, you look at the segments, and you got a thing that's looking like this. Okay, each one of those is called a segment, and the cross section of it is called a sector. Or you could look at it as like a flat pizza pie, and each one of these pieces in here, it would make up a piece of the pizza. Okay, and so we're going to look at that, and you look at this, and it's almost like, let's look at the pizza idea. The measure of the arc, let me just erase that there. The measure of the arc, and that would be this arc here, AB, over the entire circle. So it's really a portion over the entire, or a proportion. So you get the proportion of the crust being used over the entire crust in the pizza, times then the area, pi r squared, of the pizza, and that gives us the area of this thing called the sector. All right, we'll look at that next time. Hope you're doing okay. See ya. Bye.